So we actually have several, but the biggest one that comes to mind is multiple enable profiles, which ultimately allows a user to keep 2 active eSIM subscriptions in a phone simultaneously, right? On top of that, we also have device transfer. So these are 2 nice features that came along with the recent SGP 22 version 3 from GSMA. Device transfer ultimately allows a user to transfer from one mobile to the other seamlessly, so it certainly also improves the user experience. And multiple enable profile, it's likely to sparkle several launches of devices with eSIM only capability. So there are several great benefits that come along with SGP 32, and we're super excited that finally GSMA has released the specs. So the first great thing about it is that it does encompass several IoT devices that were previously not addressed with SGP 02. Low-powered, capability-constrained devices, or devices that cannot easily be reached within a short distance. And it also addresses several IoT protocols. So it's definitely going to sparkle great deployments around IoT. And it also has the added feature of rollback, which is something that was previously on SGP 02. It wasn't on SGP 22. And now it's something that will help to address when a device loses connectivity. Yeah, so iSIM is here, right? It's certainly the future and it's here. From a perspective of compliance and standards, everything is ready and good to go. So it's mostly fine-tuning around certifications and also gains of efficiency from a production standpoint for the massive deployments to be in place. Certainly, once we get the first commercial launches using iSIM, using the technology, it's also going to represent great improvement, but we're also going to learn a lot from the actual commercial deployment. But it's just a matter of time until we start seeing deployments around the iSIM. We know it's the evolution from eSIM. It certainly paves the way for resolving the issue of device eSIM compatibility. And so Valid has been actively working with iSIM. And we hope it's just a matter of time until we see and we reap the benefits of that highly interesting technology as well. Yeah, so for consumer, ultimately what we need is more eSIM compatible devices available out in the market. Ultimately, for low and mid-tier devices, we've actually had several developments coming from major OEM manufacturers making eSIM phones available with dual eSIM, eSIM only. But we now really need to tackle that low to mid-tier, and that is something that is expected to happen pretty shortly. So Valid is an industry leader in interoperable mobile services, right? We have nearly 7 decades of experiences. We have solutions that cater to mobile operators, connectivity providers, IoT players, and device makers. So Valid really has a full stack of solutions, from eSIM to EIM to SMDP, SMSR, SMDP+, IPA, and LPA. We understand that every introduction of technology has got its complexities, and Valid carries a long expertise on global deployments at scale. And so we hope that with the flexibility and the knowledge that Valid has, we can certainly enable the industry to move forward.